The first step you'll take is you will need to visit clearvoice.com. Click on Talent Network and this will show you people writing articles in these categories. Then click on Join the Talent Network right here so you can get started. Go over to spinbot.com, paste an article in this box, scroll down a bit, and then imagine earning $400, $700, $850 from the comfort of your home using a brand new website that has never been revealed before. Count yourself lucky because I'm about to change your financial status if you watch this video until the end. The best part is you don't need to do any hard work. Just copy and paste free texts, that's all, and you don't have to sell any kind of product. This website is paying people from different countries: India, Philippines, Bangladesh, Canada, the USA, UK, and more. This website will not be paying you in points, coins, or gift cards, but they will pay you real cash. To make money using this website, you will need to implement some strategies which I will be showing you in this video, because if you just go straight to the website and you try to do it on your own, you might not understand how it works. I'm going to show you how you can get all of that done for free, and I will explain the step-by-step process on how to get started. The website is called clearvoice.com, and according to SimilarWeb, this website has high traffic and is being visited by hundreds of thousands of people every single month. And that means there's a lot of money to be made with this website. And I'll explain to you exactly how to get started to make some decent amount of money. Clearvoice.com is a platform where entrepreneurs and business owners come to get written articles done for them, and freelancers and ordinary people will get paid for a well-done job. And I'm going to show you how you can get those articles done for free, and you can get paid hundreds of dollars for doing it unlimited times. So it's a really powerful strategy, so pay close attention to every step so you can learn exactly how to do this. The first step you'll take is you will need to visit clearvoice.com, click on Talent Network, and this will show you people writing articles in these categories. We have advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and much more. So there are different categories and different niches on this website. But the first thing you need to do is to click on Join the Talent Network right here so you can get started. And you can get started by entering your full name in these two boxes. So enter your first name, enter your last name, and click Get Started. You can also sign up with your Twitter account, Google account, or by signing up manually with your email. Once you sign up for a brand new free account on clearvoice.com, you'll be able to see your name and your profile picture. You can change your profile picture and put in your own. Then you can add a background image. You can add more of your social accounts so that you'll be able to make more money. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. First of all, I want to show you a few different things. You can first of all set your rate. You decide what you want to get paid. So whether you want to get paid $200 per article, $300 or $400 per article, you can set your rates and you will get paid quickly, which means you will not have to wait for weeks or months to get paid. Clearvoice.com freelancers are paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. Work with confidence and you'll get paid on time. They are reliable, and if we scroll down a little bit, you can see people doing the same thing. For example, let me open up this person's CV. You can see what this person is doing and the amount they are making. If I open their profile, you will be able to see the different articles that this person has written, and this person has made hundreds of dollars on each of those articles. You too can do the same, and I'm going to show you how to achieve these results. Now I want you to go back to your account. You can get started by setting up your account and you can start making money. Here on the right-hand side, you will be able to do that. Currently, my account has not yet been completed. I need to complete it to 100 so I can actually start making money. And to do so, I would need to improve my CV, so I would need to click Add Content right here in the bottom right corner so I can start adding those articles. But how do I get those articles done? How can you get those articles done for absolutely free with no previous writing skills or whatsoever? It's easy. All you need to do is visit google.com, search for articles on any category. We have different categories like health, relationships, business, finance, weight loss, fitness, fishing, gaming, whatever niche, whatever category you can find in Clearvoice. You can write an article about that category and relate it to that niche. So let's say, for example, I'm going to be writing a finance article. All I need to do is search on Google using different keywords relating to that specific topic, for example, finance tips. I will then wait for Google to provide different recommendations. Now that's going to give me thousands of different articles that are available on Google. So you can go through all these different articles. You can find which one you think is best, and you will always see new and fresh articles on Google. Because as you can see, these are all the latest articles from this year alone, and it's going to give you fresh articles like almost every single day. You'll have new articles on all these different topics and all these different niches and categories, but you will not be able to just copy and straight paste that article from Google because of copyright issues. To get error-free unique articles, you'll need to visit spinbot.com to get those articles rewritten for free. Just go over to spinbot.com, paste the article in this box, scroll down a bit, fill out the CAPTCHA, click Go right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and now the Spinbot tool will rewrite it for me in my own words. so I can use that article on other websites. It becomes my unique article, and now that you have it rewritten for you, you will need to proceed to step number 3, which is to open up Google Docs. So go over to docs.google.com, create a new document which is going to be blank, go back to Spinbot, copy the part that is rewritten by Spinbot, paste it into Google Docs, then proceed to change more parts of that specific article which you found on Google. Once you're done, you have an entire article rewritten by Spinbot. Step number 4 is to click on File right here, go to Download, and download it as a PDF document. So you can download this to your computer, an entirely rewritten article, which you can use because it's unique. Then just go back to clearvoice.com, open up your profile once again, click on Add Content right here, so you can add your PDF file, click on Upload File right here, find that article in your computer, double-click on it, wait until it loads, and here it is. And here is an entire article unique because it was rewritten by Spinbot. Now you will select the category your article is in. Since my article is in all about finance, I can search for that. I can search for finance or business or accounting, and I will select business finance and personal finance, then fill out these other boxes and just hit update. The more of these articles you add, the more money you will be able to make. And of course, make sure to name your article. Don't leave it as an untitled document, because obviously that's not how it works. You will need to give it an exact title, so the more of them you add, the more you will fill out your profile, and the more articles, the more money you will be able to make. That way, entrepreneurs and business owners that search for those articles can see your CV. They can hire you and pay you hundreds of dollars for new articles, and all you have to do is once again repeat the process in this video. Interested in how you can earn money by just watching ads? Click here!